genitals, welcome back to my channel. So it's currently Sunday around 9 a.m. I just woke up and I thought, why not do a self-care quarantine solo Sunday vlog, because I haven't vlogged in a really long time, and I thought I would just show y'all what I do during my day. Albeit not much, because the world is kind of on pause right now, but I figured, you know what, why not make a video? So stay tuned for what I do in my day. Hello, and welcome back to my kitchen. One of my favorite parts of the morning is obviously breakfast, eating. I'm going to be making my breakfast sandwich that I've been... So I'm going to be making a breakfast sandwich and a smoothie. This is kind of like my go-to sandwich, something I think is really good. I know a lot of people just like to have smoothies by themselves in the morning, but for me, I don't really get filled up with that, so I kind of have to have both. The ingredients, so we have cheese, tomato, butter, an egg, and just using whatever bread I got at the grocery store, which is, I don't know, this kind of bread. So I know the sandwich isn't looking that healthy, but I will balance it out with the smoothie, so there's that. So we're doing butter in a pan. This is medium heat. I'm gonna let that do its thing. Once the butter's melted, reduce the heat to medium-low, add the bread. Now we're gonna add the egg. I really should be filming this on my tripod, but since I'm one-handed, we're just gonna give this a go. Oh, shit. Okay. Hey, okay, there we go. Egg, cheese, and tomato all on one side. Add the other piece of toast. Add the pieces of toast together, flip it, grill it, and then you're done. So for the smoothie, I do 1 cup of coconut milk unsweetened. And then a bunch of spinach and a bunch of frozen mango. All in the blender. So I'm about to eat breakfast and I'm just gonna watch some Netflix. I am obsessed with NBC's The Blacklist. I know I'm a little bit late on this one. Now those 2 characters, that clip that I just showed you, that was Agent Keen, and that is the back of Agent Wrestler. Anyways, I highly recommend this show, and I just want to say that I am very much emotionally invested in these 2 characters. They are not together, they are not dating, but I feel it in my soul, in my spirit, that they are meant to be together and that they should get married. Even though her husband's a sociopath that was just placed into her life for evil purposes, and his fiance just died, incredibly tragic, I feel that they are meant to be together. Anyway, here is breakfast. Hi vlog, it's been a while. I finished eating, chilled for a bit, and now we are in my bathroom. I cleaned my entire bathroom. We love a sparkling toilet, yes. And I'm gonna put you guys down on my very professional camera stand here while I get ready to go to the grocery store. Super exciting stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to the grocery store. I'm not cooking tonight because I already cooked last night, but I'm gonna get some taco ingredients and spices and stuff like that. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. I'm not gonna put on makeup just to go to the grocery store, but why not put on some mascara? And I just thought that I would take this opportunity to actually really thank whoever's watching this right now. What I really want to say is that I know that I didn't post a video for 11 months because 2020 was a year. It was just a lot was going on. I will say, like, I'm also a student. I'm entering my last year of school, and I also have a job. I work, so just with everything that was going on, unfortunately I didn't get around to doing YouTube. But this year I definitely want to upload videos at least maybe every 1 or 2 weeks. So I'm going to try and do that. And I just really want to thank whoever's watching this right now for sticking around. And yeah, I'm going to use some hair oil to fix whatever's going on right now. In case you're wondering, the hair oil I use is the Moroccan oil treatment. Works really well. Actually, it's not like really well, it's okay. I don't know, my hair is really frizzy, so at the end of the day, it's just feel like it's always gonna do whatever it wants to do. Here we go. And now I'm gonna get dressed. Okay, this is the OOTD. I don't really wear these pants to work, but I'm working from home, so. Lights are so pretty. Felt a little awkward vlogging at the grocery store, so I didn't. Obviously it's crowded, and because of COVID, people aren't trying to linger for too long. All right, here's the grocery haul. See, nothing too exciting here, but yeah, look at how cute this setup is. Really, my favorite thing to do is just to sit here, read, watch TV. So I didn't do too much today. I basically cleaned my entire apartment, got groceries, watched The Blacklist, which, my God, just so obsessed with that show. But yeah, I was gonna work out, and honestly I was gonna film that for the vlog too, but I'm just gonna be 100% real. I am not feeling it right now. I don't know, I just kind of want to relax, and I just want to get as much relaxation time in before my next school semester starts. But maybe in the future I will do a workout routine. And speaking of routine, I actually have a skincare routine that's going to be coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, now I got my lights on, cute setup, have some cookies here. And actually, what am I reading? Probably going to do some reading. Right now I'm reading The Subtle Art of Not Giving. Really good so far, definitely liking that, and excited to finish that. I know this day wasn't too eventful, but that's quarantine for you. Not much you can do. And yeah, for now, I hope all you guys are staying safe, keeping sane, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.